brother decided to go buy a car, so we're gonna go pick it up in Oregon. We're currently in Colorado. It's gonna be about a 14-hour drive. I don't know if I want to keep it a secret or not. For now, I will. Well, I guess it's gonna be in the title, but my brother just bought an RB26 swap 240SX, so we're gonna go pick it up. It's gonna be pretty sweet. I'm pretty excited to see it, but this is his truck as well. Pretty dope truck. It's actually pretty nice. We're gonna go ahead and stop in Ogden for the night. I think we've been on the road for like, what, 5 hours? 6 hours? Oh dang, I didn't realize. But we're gonna stop. I think it's 1:30 in the morning right now, so we'll just get some sleep. We're gonna stop at this hotel for a little bit, and then we'll continue. I think we're going to somewhere near Portland, Oregon. So we have another like 7 or 8 hours left on the drive. So we're just gonna stop for the night and go ahead and do it tomorrow. But I think that's gonna be the last video I'll post for the night. So I'll see you guys in the morning. About 8 o'clock in the morning. We're about to take off again. I think we saw, I said like 7 or 8 last night. I think it's like 9, maybe 10. I don't know. We'll probably be there at like around, I'm thinking probably like 5 tonight. So hopefully we'll get there a little earlier, but probably around 4 or 5.
lines are here. It has a thermo switch, so there's a little thermostatic relay.
Yeah, tell me everything.
And it's all plugged in here, so you don't have to touch anything. If you don't like where it's sitting at, I drive, because here it gets pretty hot, like 100-degree heat, and if I'm cruising down the freeway, it sits about 180 degrees. But during the winter,
It's really quiet exhaust-wise.
it is quiet. Until that 40 mil cracks, and it's just stupid loud.
So power steering's not.
No, I mean, you can drive it one-handed, you just got to muscle it around a little bit.
You don't have to get on it until it's warmed up.
Oh, it's fine.
Gauges and everything work?
All these all work,
Yeah.
yep. All these are all accurate as well. I don't much listen to radio, but it all works.
I'm not worried about that.
And then hear a little squeaky. But like I said, I enjoy driving it, so it's going to be hard watching the trailer go in. I was like, all day today, I was like, well, he's not supposed to be here for a while, so maybe I'll take it for a spin. And I was like, no, he doesn't want it warmed up.
Sorry.
So I didn't. So yeah. But yeah, everything works on it for heater. Other than that. So
What is this little switch here?
that was the horn that somebody
Oh, yeah, you
wired
told me
up,
that,
because
yeah.
there's a coil spring inside here that like wraps it around, and one of these, whatever, it broke whenever they had it.
Wastegate's loud.
Fuck yeah.
That's only about a quarter throttle too. Like I said, I don't drive it very stupid hard. It'll start cutting loose on me quick. I enjoy it. The neighbors don't, but I
That's alright, my neighbors are gonna. It's actually quiet at idle.
Yeah, it's really quiet.
I'll shift into third. But if you try to hammer it, it'll scratch on you. About half throttle.
I don't like how it's obnoxious though.
Loud?
No, like, well, the wastegate's obviously gonna be loud, but it's not like rattly. It's
Yeah.
not, you know what I mean?
Oh, you mean you like it how it's not? Yeah, no, most 240s are falling apart, so it's been my baby for 12 years, and started off with the wifey, and then the KA finally decided to say no. What is that little
Tingy. Here. Is that the brakes? No big deal.
I don't know, I don't hear it. So maybe it's out. I don't sit on that side, so. Oh, you know what it might be? It might be the little whatever, the bail pin or R key that holds the main wheel nut on. The, what do you call it? Cotter pin.
Oh, okay.
Inside where the axle nut is. That might be what's clinking around. I don't know though for sure. See it wanted to scratch. You just try to hammer it in and just a little. Like I said, I don't notice it very much. Like that right there, like you can feel it. It grinds a little when you first touch it into it, but then it stays. Yeah, sorry about this.
I know you're good.
I was like, he can deal with that because the Hello Kitty is not.
Bro, it's not leaving.
Yeah. And then when you take I put the little filters in for the intakes too. But if you take them out, the turbo is like half again as loud.
Really?
Yeah.
My shoe's catching too.
So it'll put a smile on your face. Everybody that I ever give rides, they wish there was an oh shit handle, because they don't understand. They know what fast is, but until you ride into a car that pulls like a rape pig.
Right. Holy shit, that clutch is tight. Okay, you got that seat growth. It's not bad.
Just give it a little hesitation before you go it in. Just let it slowly ride.
Now what happens if that like totally, what do I need to do if that just goes?
I don't think it will unless you unless you're raping on it like on a track and you're just constantly banging. But if you're driving it, like last time I rebuilt it was
That's a pretty big lip there, bro.
That's, I asked, yeah. What's up?
Is it gonna be? Have you ever had a car in here before? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've had cars, just not one this low.
Yeah, it's just the boards. It's just the boards breaking.
Here, go back, we'll try to resculpture it.
There's the bumper a little bit. You should be good. If you can get up on there. There you go. Okay, you're on the actual ramp now. You're good over here.
You probably have to climb out the window too. That's why I have to get down.
Just loaded the car in the trailer, everything checked out. Lucas took it for a drive. It's all strapped down. There's quite a bit of room left in this trailer actually. Pretty big trailer. Right there. That drive wasn't horrible, but it definitely wasn't fun. Ended up being like 16 or 17 hours there, split between 2 days because we left so late, and then we decided to do the drive back all in one day. So like, we left at like 7:30 this morning, and we were just getting back, and it's about 3 o'clock in the morning right now. So yeah, I would definitely do it all over again, but it was pretty rough, especially just like sitting in the back seat, like just not driving or anything. I think I would have been fine if I was driving, but just sitting there was not fun. But you guys will definitely see a lot more of this car coming up. That's my brother's car, so you'll see it a lot. We'll do a lot of videos on it and stuff like that, so you guys will see the progress and everything. He's got plans for it, so. But yeah, I am freaking dead tired, so I'm just gonna go straight to bed. Oh, I woke the dogs up. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos of that car and other stuff. Hopefully I'll be getting my own car here in the next week or two, so we can start a project series on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.